can see from the chard, we have grit. Today it's been 30 degrees in the polytunnel. That's even now 6 o'clock in the evening. It's going to be hot tomorrow, so we'll cover these seedlings up, and this is how we generally do it. First of all, give them a water, good soak. Can add grit. That will stop the water evaporating. I have it on a few, if you can see from the chard, we have grit. So what do? Put a bit of shade netting on, so pop there. Anything you've got really, it'll work. So this will do. Hole over there like so. And we get some shade netting, which I have made earlier. So here we go. Place it on top. Right, okay, so this is 60% shade netting. That's going to keep the heat of the midday away. Well watered, shade netted. It's about the best you can do within the polytunnel. Hope that helps you out. Please remember to subscribe. Okay, so another good way to keep a polytunnel cool in hot weather is use a scaffold netting. Just put a few screws in the door frame, hook it on. That's it, it's job done. If you get a lot of problems with birds flying in, pop it in. Leave it halfway if you want pollinators in. Always tends to work fine for me. Gives you good ventilation straight through the tunnel. Job done.